So in today's video, we will be making the search. Okay, first we need to hit T on the screen and write this dash. It is obviously big, so we're gonna apply the font that is suitable. So is this, now it is regular, medium. Yep, looks perfect, sorry. And now we can apply the colors that we need here. Again, if you're not sure what colors are applied, I cleaned my I didn't. Okay, so here we can just see which color we applied. Placeholder state 6363. It's pretty random until you it's just to make sure that you're using the right color. Gray 600. So did I use gray 600? No, this. So I added this. Now I need search icon. I am going to go in assets and let them load. Yeah, all libraries, no, local libraries. Search. I'm going to add search and resize it to what I need. And yes, simple. Now I'm going to select them, align them properly, and see the distance. It is multiple of 4. I'm going to apply Shift A, and I'm going to add some padding. So first I'm going to just simply align it to where it starts, the component. Remember that we used the margins 16, so I'm gonna place it at 16. And since I used auto layout align left setting, I am going to just simply do this. Okay, now I am going to try adding some padding to bring them into right position. I'm gonna try 4. Nope, I'm gonna try 8, which looks reasonable, so we'll go there. Now for the height, I'm just gonna select fixed height and drag it to place right where it needs to be. As I can see, it is 35, which is pretty random, so I'm gonna make it 36. And yes, now what I'm gonna do is rename it, of course. Search. This gets paired, so I am going to go find my buttons, place it right here, choose the right variant, which is this one, and place it right here. So again, with this one, we need to align this with the icons above. So still 10, we probably will need to adjust the padding. Then let me quickly bring my top navigation variant here and see how they align. So placing it right where I need to align it, selecting the component, and yes, I think we should do this. Or probably make it 16 for both sides. No, it looks random, so we are gonna go this way. Okay, now what I'm going to do is just simply add fill and this. Okay, so to repeat what I did is, so this has some styling applied on it, which is, it has a fill color, it has some auto layout applied, and it also has some effect applied. So I can either go and copy paste all these settings, since I didn't exactly save my shadow. So what I can do is just simply select this, Control Alt and C, or maybe go here and copy properties, and then here I can press Ctrl Alt V, or I can do this. So as you can see, it gets a bit messed up and we can fix the alignment, but it works. Other thing we should do, like the proper way about to do this will be to go into the main component where I applied the shadow, and from here just save it. So I am going to call it E1 or maybe elevation 1. I have something saved, so I should probably delete that one. And now I'm going to save it. Go here, give it a name, elevation 1. I'm calling it 1 or 01. Now what we can do is come here. I'm just showing that there is no style applied. No, okay, it is. I can remove it, and now I have something saved. So both of them have same shadows. 12 spacing. I am going to add frame around it. I'm going to expand it like this. Add some auto layout. No, I shouldn't add again. Auto layout is not wrong. It's just I don't want to cause any confusion for this tutorial. So I'm just resizing them, adding 4 points on both top and bottom. So just to make sure I added the right size. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is add a fill, or probably this way. And I have my search component ready. I'm going to place it outside, call it search. And since search doesn't have a variant, this you will be seeing this will go in the tabs version of a tab. So this is one variant, and I'm gonna go take this and place in my search section and turn it into component. See you guys in the next video.